Konnichiwa! Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Inspire Academy Online. Today, we're going to be learning how to count from 1 to 10 in Japanese. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Ichi. Ichi. To remember this number, we can think of the word ichi. 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 Number 2. Ni. Ni. To remember this number, we can think of the ni, 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 ni. Number 3, sang, sang. It's similar to the word sun in English. Sang, sun, sang. Number 4. You can say it in 2 ways, shi or yong. Shi, yong. Shi, it's similar to si, and yong is similar to yan. So you can link these 2 words with the number 4. Number 5, go, go. This number is so easy to remember. Just think of go, like you're cheering someone. Go, go, go. Go, go. Easy, right? Number 6. Roku, roku. Think of the word rock. Roku, rock, roku. Number 7. You have 2 ways to say it also. You can say shichi or nana. Shichi, nana. Number 8. Hachi, hachi. Similar to the number 7, right? Number 7 is shichi. Number 8, hachi. For me, I like to think of hachis because if you repeat it quickly, it will become hachis, hachis, hachi. Number 9. You also have 2 ways to say it. You can say Q or ku. So the longer sound and the shorter sound. Q, ku. To remember this word, you can think of cute in English. Q, ku, cute. Last but not least, number 10. Ju, ju. I like to think of the word juice in English, like 10 bottles of juice. Ju, juice, ju, juice. Let's recap every number together. Ichi, ni, san, shi or yong, ko, roku, shichi or nana, hachi, kyu or ku, chu. Well done! Now you know how to count from 1 to 10 in Japanese. Keep practicing and you'll be counting like a pro. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see each other again in the next video. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. And sayonara.